what do you think led to this sellout that we saw for Arabian Mills, and what does it tell us about the demand and appetite for IPOs in the region still?
Good morning, Dan. So let's take a step back on the IPO market. This is one of the pillars of the positives here in the GCC, and year to date, we've seen near 5 billion in IPOs in what we've counted as 25 deals. So, the IPO market is doing really, really well. Incidentally, in addition to Arabian Mills, we today have NMDC Energy here in the UAE in our own local market. And so firing on all cylinders, I think oversubscription levels have been very, very healthy, nearly 30 plus times for NMDC and Arabian Mills each. So we're clocking a good record here year to date in the IPOs in the GCC. That includes Saudi Arabia and the UAE. And this is a sign of health in the market, I would say.
Indeed, and it's not just this year, it's also in the last few years that we've seen strong demand and appetite for IPOs in this part of the world. So Amer, looking forward, what does the pipeline look like through 2025? Can we expect this pace of listings to continue?
Sure. I mean, okay, so let's take a look back. 2021 is where it all started, just after the pandemic, and the record year of 2022 is yet to be broken. This year, we're doing better than last. Our expectation is that things should continue unless something happens to economic growth here in the region and globally. But, things look good for now. I want to add also, Dan, that it's not just IPOs. I mean, the primary and secondary issuances have been really, really strong. Look at what happened in secondary placement in just 2 deals year to date in the oil sector or energy sector. We've had $12 billion there. You look at what's happening in the bond market, nearly $10 billion have been raised in issuances and bonds alone. So overall, we're looking at 25 billion in primary issuances and secondary issuances in bonds and equities this year in the UAE and the wider GCC. And I don't see this stopping for now.